add the image on our browser. So I have made the new page and I insert the title name image tag, and I used basic syntax of HTML5. Then I want to insert the image on our browser. Here I open the page of this file, right? So I want to display the image on our browser. So how I can do it? That's very simple process to use image tag and insert the image on our browser. So first of all, you have image or picture. So I just go to my image folder. Here is a many images available on my another folder like pictures, and I want to display images on my browser. So what I can do, I just select the images. For example, I want to copy this image, select this image, and this image, right? Copy this image, these images, and then I go to my HTML tutorials for beginners folder, and I make a folder on this project, and then I insert the name of folder like images, and then I paste images here. So the next step is you need to use IMG tag to get the images from this folder. So let's start it to insert the image on our browser. So first of all, you need to write IMG tag, and then you need src source equal sign double quotation and enter the complete path of your image. For example, I'll go to my folder. Here is the images folder. I just open this folder, and then I copy the path, or I just use images folder name, then image name, because these images available on this folder. So I just use this folder name and then image name. So I go to my code editor and I use images and then backslash sign, then image name. I go to my project and I want to insert this image. This image is a PNG extension, so I just rename the copy the name of this image, and I go to my browser, code editor, and paste the complete name of the image. Then you need to write the extension. So this image extension is PNG because I have made some time ago. Is the .png, right? So I just use .png, right? Save the file and open browser and refresh the browser. Here is the image display on our screen, right? But do you want to insert the image on an other location like C drive, E drive, or any other drive? So what do you need to do? You just write IMG tag and src source, src main source, right? And then close the tag. Another thing is IMG tag is a single tag. You don't need to close this tag, right? So I just go to another folder like this folder. Here is the many images available on this folder. So I want to pick the image on this folder, so I just select the complete path of this folder. So I just copy it and paste it, then enter again backslash, then image name as you want to display on the browser. So I use, for example, this image. So I just copy the image name, and then go to browser, code editor, and paste here. And you need to write the extension, save the file, open the browser, refresh the page. Here is the image display on our browser. So I decrease the size of browser, then you can see here first image, second image, right? So you can use two image attribute like width, height, and border to increase or decrease the image size, and use the border on the image as well. So I want to first we need to just decrease the size of browser, and then I want to use the attribute, like I want to insert the width, for example 300 pixel. Save the file, open the browser, and refresh the. Here is a 300 width of this image is displayed on our screen. Then I want to use height attribute to define the height, for example to 50 pixel. Save the file, open the browser, and refresh the page. Here the 250 height of this image and 300 width of this image. Then you can use another attribute like border, I use border. I just use 3 pixel or 5 pixel is. Save the file, open the browser, and refresh the browser. Here you can see the border is displayed on our image. So you can use these attributes on this image as well. For example, I use width 300 pixel, and then height 300 pixel, and then border 3 pixel. Save the file, open the browser, and refresh the image, or browser. Here you can see it, the first image, the second image. If you want to this image display on this image below, so you can just use BR tag after the first image tag. Save the file, open the browser, refresh the browser. Here you can see the first image, the second image. So this video is about image tag, how you can insert the image on our browser, and you can use the attributes like width, height, and border to design the image or increase or decrease the image size as well. So I hope you are understood.